Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Breville Barista Touch and it's giving you an error. It says ER05 on the screen and it's not going to be able to make any milk beverages if you're getting this and you're trying to figure out what's going on and how can you get rid of it. And it's really annoying if you get this because it's quite a common error and this is not a cheap machine, as you know, but really it's actually a pretty quick fix. And Breville is now aware of the issue, and so basically is that the thermostat that senses the temperature of the milk, so they call it a milk, the thermistor, is fried. It's not working anymore and needs to be replaced. And this costs about, depending on where you get it, it costs about 25 bucks. So it'll save your $1,000 machine from just being a brick. But what you're going to need to do is just contact Breville customer support, and you should be able to order the milk thermistor directly from them, replace it, and this should get your coffee machine working again. So anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.